you don't have a ranch seasoning packet on hand, or you simply want to avoid the MSG and additives, you can have your very own homemade blend mixed up in less than 5 minutes. To get started, grab either the container you'll be storing it in or a medium-sized bowl. Whatever you use, just make sure it's large enough to comfortably fit all of the ingredients. Add 1/3 cup of buttermilk powder. You can normally find this on the baking aisle next to the spices and seasonings. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And yes, you absolutely need both here, so don't try subbing one for the other. 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. 2 teaspoons of dried dill. 1 teaspoon of dried chives. This ingredient can be a little trickier to find at the store, so feel free to leave it out if you don't have it on hand. 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can always leave the salt out and add to taste when you use the seasoning mix in recipes. Whisk this all together until it's well combined. Store in an airtight container for up to a year in a cool, dry place. Avoid placing it over the stovetop, as this will make the mix lose its potency much quicker. Now, I know this recipe makes a lot of seasoning mix, so if you need to use some of it up, you've got to check out these ranch seasoned pretzels right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.